Hello everyone, my name is Harshvardhan Yadav. Today's date is 3rd December 2021. Today's topic is array list in Java. Array list is a resizable array which can be found in Java.until package. Difference between built-in array and the array list in Java. The size of array cannot be modified. In the sense, if you want to add or remove element from an array, you have to create a new one, while elements can be added and removed from the array list whenever you want. A syntax also slightly different. So resizable array, the implementation of the list interface, the implementation all optional list operations and permits all elements including null. In addition to implementing the list interface, the class provide method and manipulate the size of an array that is used to internally to store the list. The size is empty, get, set, iterator and list of iterators. Operations run in constant time. The add operation runs in amorized constant time, that is adding a element requires on time. All of the other parameters run in their linear time. The constant factor is low compared to the linked list implementation. The array list instance have capacity. The capacity is the size of an array is used to store the elements in the list. It is always list as a large as the list size. The elements are added to the array list. Its capacity grows automatically. The details of the growth policy are not specified beyond the fact and adding an element constant amortized time cost. An application can increase the capacity of an array list instance before adding a large number of elements using a insecure capacity of operation. This may reduce the amount of incremental reallocation. If multiple thread access in array list instance concurrently, and at one of the threads modifies in the list structurally, it must be synchronized externally. So a structural modification is an operation that adds and deletes one or more elements. The accessibility rises and backing array. The merely setting the value of element is a structural modification. The typically accomplished by the synchronizing on some object and naturally encapsulation the list. If no such object exists, list should be wrapped using collection a synchronizing list method. The best done is creation time is prevent accidental synchronization access to the list. So the array list class use a dynamically array for storing the elements. It is an array, but there is no size limit. We can add or remove element anytime. So it is much more flexible than the traditional array. It is found in the java.until package. It is like a vector in C++. The array in Java have duplicate elements also. The implements in the list interface. So we can use all the methods list interface here. The array list maintains the insertions order internally. It inherits the abstract list class and implements the list interface. The important points about Java array list class are: the Java array list class can contain duplicate elements. The Java array list class maintains insertion order. The Java array list class is non-synchronized. The Java array list allows random access because the array works in the index basis. Sorry. The array list manipulates the little bit slower than the linked list in Java because a lot of shifting needs to occur if few element is removed from array list. Hierarchy of array list classes. In array list class extends abstract list class is implements list interface. The list interface extends the collection in internal interface in hierarchical order. The array list class declaration. Let's see the declaration of java.until.array class is construction and description. First of all, array list in bracket, then the description is it is used to build an empty array list. The array list collection extend e greater than c. It is used to build an array list that is initialized with the elements of the collection c. The array list in capacity, it is used to build an array list that is specified initial capacity. Methods of an array list. Method method add integer index e is equal to, it is used to insert the specified elements of the specified position in Java list. Boolean add in bracket e and e, it is used to append the specified elements at the end of the list. Boolean add all, the collection extend e greater than c, it is used to append all the elements is specified collection in end of the list is ordered to that returned by the specified collection iterator. Thank you.